Module 4, Section 15, MySQL AND operator. So in this, we will be learning usage of AND operator with where clause. So sometime we require to provide multiple conditions. So for that, we can use AND operator in the where with where clause. So let's suppose we want to in the about table, let's suppose we want to display those records whose country is India and state is Delhi. Okay, so for that we can, since we have two condition, we have condition for two columns, one is for state and another is for country. So we might need some operator to join the these two conditions. Okay, so for that we can use AND operator. So this is the table for working of the AND operator. Let's suppose condition one is state, for state equal to Delhi, and condition two is for country, that is country should be India, right? These are my conditions. Okay, and I want to fetch those records which satisfy state and country condition both. Okay, so result will come true when condition 1 is true, that is state is Delhi, and condition 2 is also true, then result will be true. It will show us the rows in the result set. If first condition is false, country is not Delhi, let's suppose country is Mumbai, and sorry, state is not Delhi, state is Mumbai, and country is India, that means condition 2 is true, then result will be false. It won't display any row in the result. But if for some row, state is true, state is Delhi, but country is not present. Let's suppose country is null. So in that case, also it won't display the result because country is not there. Okay, so this will be possible sometimes. Suppose we forgot to specify the country, we have provided the state but not provided the country. So in that case, also it won't display us the result. Suppose neither the state is Delhi nor the country is India, then also it won't display any result in the result set. So this is how the truth table work. Let's suppose we have provided state as null, right? And for some row it could be possible country is also null. We didn't enter any country. So in that case, it won't fetch that row in the result set. So this is how AND operator work. So basically both the conditions should be true, should match, then only it will fetch that row in the result set. Okay, so this is the syntax for the AND operator. First of all, you provide the condition 1 and then condition 2. Okay, so here uh, this is how our query will work. Let's suppose we want to fetch first name, country and state for employee details, where country is India and state equal to Delhi. So let's suppose uh, uh, we have another query. uh, we want to those employee whose country is India and and employee number and age. Second condition we can form for age equal to 30. Okay, or age we can give age less than 30. So we can provide different column as well in the condition and join them as with and keyword. So this is condition 1 and this is condition 2. So let's run this query in the SQL workbench. Okay, so this is my query. Okay, let's first of all check the existing records in the employee details table. Star from, okay, so these are the records, and from this result set I want to display only records whose country is India and state is Delhi. That means in result set these two last two records should be displayed. Let's execute this query. Okay, so let me make it in the one line only. Okay, so this is my query. Let's run this. Okay, so I am running this query. So see, it's showing only Mamta record. It fetching first name, country, and state of the record from the employee detail table, where country is India and state is Delhi. Okay, so next, my next query is I want to display those records, employee records from India whose age less than 30. Okay, so let me copy this. And okay, so first of all, let's check, is there any record present. So there is, uh, country is India, one condition, India, and age less than 30. Okay, so there are there are three records should come in the output when I execute this query. Let's check. See, let uh, let us put a, let us fetch age as well, so that we compare. So there are three records in employee detail table whose country is India and age less than 30. So this is how we can join multiple conditions with and keyword. We can give three condition as well with and using and keyword. Let's suppose we can modify this query. I want to display those records whose country is India and state is Delhi and age less than 30. So I can add another condition using and keyword. And so this time I need to use to and, since I have another state equal to Delhi. So this time since I have three conditions, so I am using to and over here. So let's execute this query. So this time it's fetching only two records, because it's fetching only those records where all these three conditions are satisfied. Here, as you can see, country is India, state is Delhi, and age is less than 30. So this is all about AND operator. And in the next section, that is section 16, we will learn MySQL OR operator. We'll meet in next session and learn section 16, MySQL OR operator. Thank you. Bye bye.